Oraimo has done it again with the launch of the new FreePods Lite earbuds, and it comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 connection, great battery life with fast charging, custom touch controls, low latency game mode, custom EQ modes, 10mm dynamic bass drivers, IPX4 water resistance, and finally an amazing sound experience with powerful bass. You get all this and more for a surprisingly affordable price, and I love the transparent design because earbuds with transparent designs like the Nothing Ear 2 are trending in the market right now, and you will agree with me that they celebrate the beauty of raw technology and expert craftsmanship. The Oraimo FreePods Lite earbuds cost just $13 or 10,200 naira, and getting a transparent design with a clean, neat internal engineering aesthetics at this low price is amazing. I will do my best to be transparent with this review by pointing out the pros and cons of the Oraimo FreePods Lite, so stay tuned. The FreePods Lite comes in the usual Oraimo green black box. Nothing too fancy here except you fancy Burna Boy. Oraimo claims this earbuds has a 40-hour long music playtime. We shall see if this is true later in the video. Inside the box are the user manual, extra silicone ear tips, not so long USB Type-C cable, and finally the FreePods Lite earbuds. There's a reset button at the right side, and underneath is a Type-C port for charging. The FreePods Lite comes in 3 colors. The earbuds have a glossy finish with a transparent stem, which gives it a nice aesthetic look. The case on the other hand has a matte finish with a transparent lid cover and a glossy finish for the earbuds housing. At 4.5 grams each, the FreePods Lite feels light with a secure and comfort fit. I prefer using the Oraimo Sound app when pairing the earbuds with my smartphone because it's simpler, faster, and more convenient. The latest Bluetooth 5.3 connection is a good feature-proof upgrade at this price point, and it offers a more stable connection, better battery life, longer transmission range, and lower latency. But the connected device needs to have support for Bluetooth 5.3 to enjoy these upgrades. I noticed the earbuds don't have a cutout for the usual pairing LED light indicator, which might be as a result of trying to save time and cost while maintaining the good-looking aesthetic design inside the transparent casing. Like they normally say, don't judge a book by its cover. I will say don't judge the sound quality of the FreePods Lite by its $13 price tag, because it sounds amazing and very loud too, thanks to the special tuning of its 10mm dynamic bass drivers. I recommend you leave it at the standard EQ mode for the best balanced sound quality with decent bass, clear vocals, and good highs. I tried switching to the Oraimo signature heavy bass mode, which actually blew my mind away with the powerful bass production, the best I've had at this price point. But I was a little disappointed to discover that the mids and highs were sacrificed to give more room for the deeper bass to overlap and dominate. The heavy bass EQ mode is best used for listening to podcasts and watching movies where there's little or no extreme bass situations. But the good news is that if you are a music enthusiast or an audiophile, you can always easily create your own custom EQ mode thanks to the simple and technically informative graphical design. It's also pretty amazing to have a functional low latency game mode at this price point. The FreePods Lite did a good job in syncing the video and audio during my COD gameplay. You also have access to customize the touch controls through the Oraimo Sound app. There are 4 touch control modes, but I prefer the left earbud to control the music playback while the right earbud controls the volume level. Imagine having volume control at this price point, and it works perfectly thanks to the high sensitive force touch sensors. Apart from the amazing sound quality, the battery life is another major selling point of the Oraimo FreePods Lite. Depending on the volume level, I was getting between 6 to 8 hours of music playtime on a single charge, and the case was able to give me an extra 4.4 charge cycles, which translates up to 35 hours with the charging case, and that is a total of up to 43 hours of music playtime. Nice job, Oraimo. Thanks to Oraimo's fast charging technology, it takes just 30 minutes to fully recharge the earbuds with the case, while it takes about 1.5 hours to fully recharge the case. These are amazing numbers at this price point. The LED light on the case switches between green, yellow, and red depending on battery level. It turns off when the battery is fully charged. Another major selling point of the Oraimo FreePods Lite is the environmental noise cancelling mode with 2 microphones for clearer voice calls. Here's my call ENC test.
This is the core microphone quality test of the Oraimo FreePods Lite. Both earbuds are positioned in my ears and it's a little windy and noisy in my environment. Kindly let me know what you think about the microphone quality.
The FreePods Lite earbuds are IPX4 water and sweat resistant. This means it is created to accompany you through rain and workout time. The oraimo FreePods Lite are good true wireless stereo earbuds with lots of outstanding functions and elegant transparent design for just $13 or 10,200 naira, and you can get it at the oraimo website through the link in the description below. The pros definitely outweighs the cons at this price point. Let me know what you think about the oraimo FreePods Lite in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.